Medford Ground, Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo with information uniform at Jet Center. I'd like to pick up our IFR departure.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, Medford Ground. Cleared to the Foxtrot Lima X-Ray Airport via the Brute 7 departure. Length transition, then as filed. Climb and maintain 1000. Expect 15,000 5 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.3. Squawk 6677.
Roger. The departure is a Route 7 or a Brute 7? B as in Bravo.
Navajo 4 Bravo Romeo, Brute 7, Bravo Romeo, Uniform, Tango, Echo, with the lengths transition.
Please give me the phonetic for the transition.
Navajo 4 Bravo Romeo, Lima, Alpha, November, Kilo, Sierra.
Roger. Length transition. Climb maintain 11,000. Expect 15,000 within 5 minutes. Departure freak is 124.3 and the squawk is 6677 for 64 Bravo Romeo.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, read back correct.
At Medford Ground, Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo at Jet Center. We're ready to taxi for departure on 14.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, Medford Ground, runway 14, taxi via Alpha.
14 taxi via Alpha for 64 Bravo Romeo.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, advise tower when ready for departure.
Roger, we'll advise when ready for departure. I'm going to do a run-up down there, 64 Bravo Romeo.
Medford Tower, Skywest 3937, ILS 14.
Skywest 3937, Medford Tower, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear to land 14, Skywest 3937.
Cops reported 2,500 bases at minimums.
Medford Tower, Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo is first up and ready to go at Alpha 6 for runway 14 departure.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, Medford Tower, hold short, runway 14, landing traffic.
Roger, and I have the traffic on time, 64 Bravo Romeo.
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, read back, hold short instructions with call sign, please.
Roger, hold short for 64 Bravo Romeo.
Skywest 3937, turn right Alpha 3, taxi to terminal via taxiway Alpha, monitor ground point 8. Good evening.
All right, Alpha 3, Alpha to the terminal, point 8, Skywest 3937, and that was right at minimum.
It was 3937, Roger, thanks. Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, Medford Tower, runway 14, clear for takeoff, Brute 7 departure.
Roger, 64 Bravo Romeo, cleared for departure, Brute 7 departure, 64 Bravo Romeo, 14. Medford Tower, 64 Bravo Romeo is off. Will you be calling my turn for the Brute 7?
Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, negative, just fly the SID as published. Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, you're going to make a right turn, climbing, and overfly the NDB or the approach end of runway 14, which of course you can't see. So it's the NDB, using the NDB or your GPS, and then proceed to Brute intersection, and then proceed to Links, and then on course.
Roger, 64 Bravo Romeo.
Low altitude alert. Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, check your altitude immediately. Bedford altimeter 3039er, your altitude indicates 1,700. Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, are you on top? Navajo 64 Bravo Romeo, Medford Tower, how do you hear? Truck 80, Medford Tower. The aircraft appears to have crashed over by the Subaro Chevrolet dealer, approximately 1 mile from the airport due south. Truck 80, it was a Navajo, PA-31. As far as I know, there was only one person on board, but I can't verify that.